REGO-FIX has just presented its first AI-driven clamping unit to achieve clamping technology at its best.
EMO once again has shown that REGO-FIX set innovations in the market of industries.
REGO-FIX here presenting high-end technologies and very, very new technologies that can improve your factory.
We have many visitors who came and expressed their willingness to adopt the REGO-FIX latest technologies.
REGO-FIX is happy that we have been able to unveil so many world novelties like the new PGO system, and we are already looking forward to the next EMO, which is going to be in Milano, Italy. Looking forward to see you there.